Impeachment complaints versus BBBM, formal lang ibinasura ng Kamara. Sa botong 284 ang pabor, 8 ang tutol, 4 naman ang nag-abstain. Formal lang ibinasura ng Kamara ang dalawang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. Higit ito sa kinakailangan ng 1/3 vote ng mga miyembro ng Kamara upang suportahan ang argumentasyon.
With 284 members voting on the affirmative, 8 against, 4 abstention, House Resolution number 746, as well as the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 111 are hereby adopted. The impeachment complaints filed against the President, Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr., are hereby dismissed.
Eric Santos, Action Tabloid.